Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by Amma here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make whitening, super whitening body wash, and actually body wash with scrub, like, should I say body scrub? Yeah. So this is extra whitening body scrub. So the ingredient I'll be needing for this, there's a lot of ingredients needing for this. I won't be measuring it now, but I'll be measuring while pouring it, while starting the mixture. So let's get started. Firstly, I'll be needing my soap base. The soap base I'll be needing for this is this Fair and White. I hope you guys can see me. Fair and White exclusive whitenizer. So that is what I'll be using for my base. So I'll be needing, okay guys, I'll be needing like 6 cups of this. Is a half a cup, 125 ml of this, and I'll be needing 6 of it. It actually smells nice. Six cup mentioned here. Next guys, I'll be needing, this is half a cup of citric acid. I hope you can see it. So I'll be pouring that in. And I'll be pouring half a cup of epsom salt. Mostly what I want to read here, it's softening the skin and smoothes the muscle and all that, but mainly this salt softens the skin. So we're going to be needing half a cup of this. Next, I'm going to be needing my 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder. Yeah, 3 teaspoons of it. Yeah, I'll be needing 2 teaspoons of goat milk powder. Oh, my camera. I'm sorry guys, my camera is a bit. Goat milk powder. I'll be needing 2 spoons of it. Next, I'll be needing 1 spoon of licorice powder. 1 teaspoon of it. I'll be needing 1 spoon of kojic dip. I'll be needing half teaspoon of Snow White powder. I'll be needing 1 teaspoon of glutathione powder. I'll be needing 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. That's it. I'll be needing 1 teaspoon of glycolic acid. I'll be needing 1 teaspoon of organic apple cider. I'll be needing 1 teaspoon of glycerin, pure glycerin. I'll be needing 1 spoon of pure honey. I'll be needing 1 spoon of rose water. And then guys, I will mix it all up together. Okay, yeah guys, here we have it all blended up. This is our mixture here. This soap is really effective. Use this every day on your skin, guys. You'll see the maximum result on your skin. This soap will make you go 1 shade lighter. Trust me guys, this is a best mixture for this soap. And turmeric is very good on the skin, and other essential ingredient I added in there is very good on the skin. Try this guys, try this mixture guys, and then you come back and thank me later. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Just a quick video on how to mix the a lightness body wash. I'm going to find a container and pour it in, because I hardly have a bigger container, so I'll try and find a container to put it in. So yeah, that is all for today, and here is our mixture. Very good on the skin guys. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you guys will like this video and share my video, and comment down below anything you want to ask me. Comment down below, and all my information is on the description box below. Yeah, that's for it, and that's it for you guys today. And thank you guys for watching my video, and I will see you on my next video. And please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.